What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we have some few packages here that we are going to go ahead and unbox, see what's inside of them. I know what's inside of them already, but let's go ahead and unbox them. Pretty excited. Upgrading a few things here in the office. Let's get rolling. Come on. Boom. Now I don't have a knife, but punch down tool works just as well from what I can see. Let's go ahead. That didn't work. Boom, boom. Alrighty, looks like we opened it upside down. There's what we have here, we got the Magni H, which is the Magni Heresy, and the Modi. We will be upgrading my, can you see it here? My Astro mix amp and my Astro headphones here that I've had for a long time. I am selling those, and by the way, going to be in the description down below, getting those out of here. I do not have any new headphones yet, deciding on what to get there. Let's see, we'll get to that here in a bit. Let's go ahead and open these. If it's not, if it's broken, don't accept it. I'm about to break it. I'm gonna get a knife next time. This thing. Yeah. See what they look like. Modi digital to analog converter. Here. So we went with the black. Nice and heavy here. Let's take a look at that. Let's get some focus here. Modi. Switch, RCA's coax, digital, USB power, USB for the computer as well. Let's see what else we got in here. Phone. We got USB to mini or micro USB. I don't know what that one is. And it also comes with a little plug, AC adapter for the wall. Perfect. But you can also plug it into your computer and it will get power from there as well. Nothing else on there. So this will be replacing this bad boy here. And this bad boy here will be stacked on top of that. Just finished watching the movie Coco, so I got that song stuck in my head right now. Good movie, by the way. Boom. So the Heresy is the one that's black and red. The Magni Heresy. The other one's the Magni 3 Plus, I think it is. And that one's in silver. But look at this beautifulness. Black and red. Nice little knobby there with the red indicator. I was like, it should have a little dot right there so you can see the light coming on. Headphone jack here. So I also ordered one of these. The adapter, what is it, 6.5 to 3.5 millimeter adapter, something like that. But look at this, it's nice. We have RCA's in, RCA's out, low, high, off, on, power plug. Boom. More phone. Ooh, AC adapter here. It's pretty huge. Pretty huge. So yeah, nothing special about that. You know what that does? Get rid of that. So we'll get to that package right now here in a bit. So I don't know if you can see. Let's take a look. So we go here. like this, or we're gonna go here like this. Nice little stack right there. Pretty sweet, pretty awesome. When you compare it to this one right over here, can you see it? No, you can't see it. Put it right next to it. A little too far, but anyways. So as you can see, matches the color of the disc, which you can barely see it now. Like it just all blends in, all black here. So this one's got a bit of color. Now that, even though as much as I love the black and the red, it's pretty awesome. Now that I see it, black disc, black monitors, black computer here, probably should have went with the silver one. Give it a nice flash of color, splash of color. So we're about to hook these up here in a bit. Got me some of these. Excuse me. There. Got these here. Boom, boom. Bought these a few months back. Recommended by Zeos. So this one is in. So we'll go here. Just like this. Like this. Boom. And then here's your out. Like this. Like this. Boom. Look at that. A little long, but hey. Looks nice, doesn't it? Agreed. Agreed. For now, I'm going to use these headphones until I find some new ones. I've been searching. If you guys have any suggestions, put them down in the comments down below. I've seen a few. I don't remember the names of them, but of course, on Zeo's page is where I'm trying to find what headphones to get. Not sure yet, but that's the details that are coming soon. So I don't know. Well, I'm gonna hook them both actually. The DAC, I'm gonna hook it to the computer, to probably my PlayStation, and my AV receiver. I should be able to. So we'll see how that goes. It should be fun. So I can have all three of them connected, so I can listen to whichever one I want whenever I need to. Let's get into this package here. How should we open this? Now I got this off eBay. I know what this is as well. I guess I can rip it. I didn't want to, but let's get it. This is something I kind of needed. Corsair Commander Pro. No, yeah, Commander Pro. Get that. Got it off eBay for about 30 bucks, which is not bad at all. Refurbished, so hopefully it works. Because this thing, regular price, brand new, is about 75 bucks. It is 75 bucks. Expensive. So I found it on eBay for 30 something dollars. We're gonna go ahead and try it out, test it out, see what we get there. Hopefully it works, which the reviews from that guy says he's pretty good, so we'll see. I'll be able to control my fans, have extra USBs inside of the computer case. I will be doing an install video on this one, so that'll be cool. I have here so you can connect 6 fans, connect your LED connections, temperature sensors, and then this is what I needed because my motherboard has only 2, and right now I have I need an extra one because the HI100 from Corsair has one of these. My power supply has one of these. The fans need one of these. So this is gonna give me the extra one that I need. Because right now my power supply is not plugged in, so I'm not getting any readings, my fans and all that good fancy stuff. So it powers on with the SATA. Here's the USB. Excited for that. Very excited. Comes with this stuff. Comes with this stuff. Things we don't read. Fan connections. And these are the temperature readings right here. Let's get some focus, focus. For your temperature sensor readings. For all your fan connections. All your good stuff there. So that's it for right now. And let me go ahead and get these babies up and working. Get them sounding amazing. We'll get started on this video, so be ready for this video as well. I'm going to install it into the case that we've been building here recently with RGBs all up in there. It's going to be fun. It's going to be pretty amazing. So guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing of boxes and a lot of stuff that we have here. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. Hit the like button. Smash the like button. Destroy the like button. All these words have already been used, so just do whatever you want with that like button. Hit the bells for reminders so you can know when new videos come out. And from now, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.